Welcome, in front of me is a VIVO Y11s, and today I'll show you how to put the device into Fastboot mode. And to get started, simply hold power key. From there, tap on power off and wait for the device to shut off. Now, once that happens, you want to then hold power key and volume up. So power, volume up. And as you can see, we're now in the Fastboot mode. So in this mode, you will need to use volume keys to navigate. As you can see, volume up will go up and volume down will go down. And it just kind of cycles through if you want to. And then power key is used to confirm whatever is selected. Now we only have two options here. So we have the reboot and recovery mode. Now I already have a separate video for the recovery mode. So I'm gonna choose reboot just to leave this mode from here. So power key, and there we go. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.